Hey, it's attorney Stephen A. Smith here, the pastor lawyer, with another commonly asked question.
What sets a successful personal injury attorney apart? Certainly, you're going to look at experience. You're going to look at the ability that they have to communicate and certainly to navigate the legal process. You're also going to look at whether they have strong negotiation skills. Are they assertive? Are they aggressive? Will they really fight for you, or will they roll over on the case? In addition, you want to look at their track record for winning cases as well. And many times those will be on a website or public, or you can ask about it. You're able to, based on the Florida law, you're able to have to know what your attorney's background is, their education background, their training, their experience. Those things are important when it comes to personal injury cases, because sometimes you can go and have someone practicing law on your case, and you want to make sure you have the best outcome. And certainly that comes with time and experience. And of course, everybody has have a start somewhere, but you don't want your case, particularly when it has specific challenges in it, to be left up to a novice. You want to make sure you have an experienced personal injury attorney who will be able to look over your case, see the spots, and see the issues before you get there, so that you can best set up your case for success on the front end. That's what we're able to do after seeing hundreds, thousands of cases over and over and over again. We're able to look at your case and evaluate it properly to know what you should do based on the law, and certainly how to give a recorded statement, how to prepare for a recorded statement. And we prepare for recorded statements or examinations under oath, EUOs. We prepare for them as if you're preparing for a deposition, because we want to make sure that you're prepared to deal with the demands that the insurance company will put on your case, and certainly you as well. And so that's what sets successful personal injury attorneys apart, is those things. The last thing I want to put to you as well, which has less to do with experience and more to do with social skills. Some people have great social skills, they're a great people person, that kind of thing, and others do not. And many times that rubs clients the wrong way. And I found this many times more than not. I've had people come from larger and more prestigious law firms who frankly have great attorneys, but they've come to me because of how I treat them and how I speak to them, that I actually give them the time of day, and that they're able to have their questions answered in full. They're able to ask all the questions that they have and have them answered to the best of my ability before we get off the phone. I'm not rushing them off, because we have our case, our firm set up in such a way with our team to make sure that you're able to have that FaceTime with your attorney when you need it. And so that becomes important. Does someone have good social skills and presence when they deal with you? Because more often than not, that will come across to a jury, and that will come across to an insurance adjuster, that will come across to a defense attorney. Many times, a lot of cases that I've been able to work out that have been tough, and maybe the value wasn't as much as I was pushing for, but the attorney or the adjuster or the insurance representative was willing to give more money on the case because of how I treated them, because I spoke to them like they were a person and like they mattered. And that makes all the difference. Instead of calling, shouting, and screaming at someone and speaking to people as if they are nobody, that makes a huge difference. And so for all those things that I've said about education, training, and experience, make sure you have an attorney that actually cares about you as a person, and won't treat you like you don't matter, like just another number, or like you can leave, I can have you or take you or leave you, that kind of thing. So that becomes very important as well, and I believe that sets apart a successful personal injury attorney as well.